Distinguished delegates, good afternoon. Thank you for coming. I'm sorry I cannot be there in person. I want you to get my message. Our goal is to make drug dealers poor. The 1988 Convention needs support. We need a way to grab the asset of the dealers. How? By innovating the way we work together. Trust is key. We track, freeze, and take illicit proceeds. Financial systems are complex. Hence, we must coordinate and collaborate internationally. Indonesia remains committed. We care not just on seizing, but we care most that the fund be given to support the victims. We face an uphill battle, but our commitment is bigger. I invite you to exchange ideas, share best practice, and make partners. Good luck. Much success to you all. Thank you.